this video, we are going to discuss about a problem on mesh analysis method. So this is a previous year university exam question paper. So from this one, I have taken one problem. So determine the current that is flowing through the 4 ohm resistor that is here. Okay. And current in the given circuit using mesh analysis method. Okay. So you can see first we need to find how many meshes are there. So let me take this is one mesh, that is I1, and this is I2, and this one is I3. Okay. So since we have three mesh we need to find, we can have three equations for this circuit. Okay. So let me start from this this mesh one. Okay. For this mesh one, we have to start from this 12 volt. So 12 volt, the current is flowing in this direction, and it will end in to minus 12, right? It start from 12 and it will end in the minus value, right? So it has to be 12, and since the I1 current is flowing through this 3 resistance, so the total value is 2 plus 4, 12 plus 1 is 15 I1. Okay. Now we can see this 12 is between this I1 and I2 current, right? So the I1 current is flowing in this direction and I2 current is flowing in this direction. Okay, you can see both the current are in opposite direction. So therefore I have to substitute minus 12 of I2. Okay, since the I1 current is flowing in this direction, I2 is flowing in this direction. Downwards, this is upward. So I have taken it as minus 12. So now we can see the I1 current is flowing in this direction and I3 current is flowing in this direction. So both are in opposite direction. So I can write minus 1 of I3. Okay, this is my first equation. So next mesh 2. Okay. So let me start with 10. Okay. 10. So 10 is equal to, you can see the current is flowing in the opposite direction. That is I2 is flowing in this opposite direction. So therefore I can write the total resistance value 12 plus 2 plus 3 is minus of this value 12 plus 2 14 17, right? 17 I2, and here also you can see both are in opposite direction. So if I take the current of I2 is minus, I have to take the current of I1 as plus. Okay, so that is 12 I1, and here you can see this is in this direction and I3 is in opposite direction. So therefore I have to take the opposite value of this current, that is plus 3 I3. So this is my second equation. This I can rewrite it as minus 10 is equal to minus 12I plus 17 I2 minus 3 I3. So this is my second equation. You can take either this one or this one, in both are same. So next mesh 3. That is this one. Okay, let me start from 24. The 24, this is so the total value is 4 and 8 I3, right? And you can see, since it is 8 I3, the current of I3 and I1 is opposite direction. Therefore 1 into I1 minus 3 into I2. This is my third value. So here I can write it as 24 that is equal to minus I1 minus 3I2 plus 8I. This is my third equation. Okay. So now I can write the determinant as it is. So instead of this, let me write it as like this, minus 12, that is equal to minus 15 I1 plus 12 I2 plus I3. Okay, so this is my first equation, and you can take any values. Okay, and this is my second equation, and this I can write it as minus 24 is equal to I1 plus 3 I2 minus 8 I3. You can take any values, either this one or that one. Okay, so now I can take 1, 2 and 3. So I have to write in the matrix form as okay. First I can write this equation, okay, minus 12, that is equal to minus 15, 12 and 1. Minus 15, 12 and 1. So second equation is minus 10. 10. 10 is equal to minus 17, 12, 12 minus 17 and 3. Okay. Then third equation is minus 24, that is equal to 1, 3 and minus 8. 1, 3 and minus 8. So thus if I multiply with I1, I2 and I3, I will get this value. Okay. So if I want to find the determinant of this value, determinant of del. Okay. So what is del now? Let me take this one as del. That is minus 15, 12, 1, 12, minus 17, 3, 1, 3 and minus 8. Okay. So this is my del value, and if I want to find the determinant of del, that is the value is nothing but minus 664. So how to calculate this value in a simple way, I have explained at the end of the video. Okay. So if I want to find the value of del 3, okay. So what is del 3? Why I should find the value of del 3? What is because I need to find the value of I3. The current flowing through this 4 ohm is nothing but I3. Okay. So I3 value is nothing but del 3 divided by del. Okay. So in order to find the del 3 value, this is nothing but this I3 value. So this I3 value, you have to substitute this one. Okay. So first you write this one same as this one, and instead of 1, 3 and minus 8, you have to substitute as minus 12, 10 and minus 24. So if I solve, I will get the answer as minus 2730. So if I substitute, I will get 2730 divided by 664. I will get the answer as 4.1 amps. Okay. So why this the current flowing through this one is I3 means you can see. So now I'm going to take this one is I1 and this one is I2 and this one is I3. Okay. Okay. So if this is I1 and this is I2 means this current should be I1 minus I2, because if I add this one, I will get the current as I1 minus I2, and this current must be I3 minus I2, I1, I3 minus I1. So if I add this 2 at this point, I will get I3 minus I2. Okay, this is I3 minus I2. So this I3 minus I2, if added with I2, I will get the current as I3. So the current flowing through this one is I3. Okay.